everyone! I'm Adam.
And I'm B. Adam is a travel and wildlife photographer.
And B is a business bear. Today we're going to show you 3 free things to do in Cape Town.
That's the horror. Good morning from beautiful Cape Town. We're here at Lion's Head, which is this guy. That one, where you get a great view of
the city and you got the ocean on that side.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna head up now. It's about 45 minutes for a fit person, so probably will take a bit longer.
An hour and a half, yeah.
It's a great way to start the day. Cape Townians like exercise, like this guy. Probably about halfway now.
Oh, are you kidding?
No.
Dude, I thought we were like that.
No.
So we're down from the mountain. We're at the Earth Fair market because Cape Townians love a food market. I want to tuck in. I've been like patiently waiting, watching these things.
Bo-Kaap it used to be called the Cape Malay Quarter. Slaves used to rent houses here.
What? You go work for free and then they charge you for rent?
When people eventually could buy houses, they painted them colourful colours to show that it was their own house. So that's why it's so colourful. It's kind of nice.
Free thing number 3.
It's free to come to the beach and just watch the sunset. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe below. And also check out our Instagram accounts. We linked them in the description.
Below.